What's up guys, how you guys doing today? So today it's going to be a whole different style of video. Today what we're going to be doing is going to Bass Pro Shops, probably going out, actually doing some fishing. So we're going to go to Bass Pro Shops. You guys are going to come along for the ride and it's going to be a fun time. Me and my buddy Trevor, I just recently moved in with him. We're going to be taking out the boat, probably going to hit some inland lake. We're not entirely sure where we're wanting to go yet, but we're going to do some Google Maps search. All right, let's get right into it. Got all your stuff? All right. Oh, this is about to be fun, boys and girls. It's gonna be an interesting day. I haven't been out fishing on my boat since I put the new lights on. We're gonna have to go pick up some nice, maybe some Cincos, some swim baits, some wacky worms. Yeah, we gotta get all the good stuff. We're gonna be going out and hitting the water today. That's for sure, right, Trevor?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. All right. We'll see you guys when we get to Bass Pro. Okay, so we did not bring the camera in because we knew we were probably going to get kicked out with the GoPro being on my head strap, and it's kind of obvious. So we went in and bought a bunch of different lures. This is kind of what I bought, so I'm going to give you guys a little insight. Bought some flukes.
His big old bag.
Yeah, big old bag. Got, you know,
my little tiny bag.
Got a bunch of goodies in here. Oh yeah, some real good ones. Got the tubes. Swim baits.
Me and Justin are actually going to do a little challenge. We bought each other some crazy colored Seikos. I got him some orange, pink, and yellow. He got me
some hot pink.
Right. I didn't notice how pink that was in the store, but man, and they're little. At least I gave you the big ones.
Oh yeah. I didn't choose the size. I just chose what I saw.
You just grabbed the first one.
Yep, I just grabbed the first one. I just seen it and I was like, yep, he's got to have that. All right, boys and girls, so we have now just made it back home, picked up some good lures from Bass Pro Shops. We got a little challenge for you guys today, as we said. So we're gonna pack up some rods and reels and we're just gonna give you kind of a little bit of footage of that. We got a lot of juice. Time to pack up the old truck and boat. I'll catch you guys in a minute when we're getting that stuff set up. All right, so now that we got everything set up, now we're gonna get the boat packed. So give you guys a little intro on how we do that. I'm gonna strap you onto my head. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Well, that ain't gonna work because the boat don't go back any further. Always want to make sure cross them and tighten them up that way it doesn't hit the ground. Did you already pack them in the boat? All right. That's gonna hit the garage door, dude.
You're good. That's the highest point.
Oh, okay. All right, boat's coming out nice and steady. Boom, let's get to it. All right, so we just got in the car. Essentially what we're doing is we're going off of Google Maps, just trying to find a lake that has a boat launch that we can actually go to, because if it's a private lake, more than likely it doesn't have a boat launch that the public can use. But Trevor's got apparently a couple ideas, so let's hear them out.
One is Loon Lake, but we'd be going to the boat club, which I don't know if that's like a public launch. The DNR website says that it does have a public boat launch, but the other one is Lake Orion, which we would be going straight to.
How far is it?
DNR public. It's 17 minutes. The other one is.
Let's go.
13.
Let's go to Lake Orion. I haven't been there.
All right, so that was easy. So we'll just go there.
We're going to Lake Orion. Got a legit boat launch. Here we go.
And then
taking off. First pull off. Don't want to hit the mailbox. Oh man, that was a little sketchy. She got about 2 inches away.
Got some squeakers today.
Woo! All right, we'll see you guys when we get to Lake Orion. All right, so we are about to hit Lake Orion, and it's looking pretty tasty. So I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it looks like there's some good pads. The water's looking clean. Oof.
We'll know a little more once we get up there.
Yeah, I mean, we'll know more once we get up there. We're gonna take you guys on a little adventure today. Let's see what happens. Wish us some luck. We got the challenge between the 2 different baits, the ones that we bought for each other, just random colors. No idea what we're gonna catch with them. If we even catch anything, it's gonna be crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Though. Let's get right into it. All right, so we switched it up. Got me a different lure on. We're gonna see what happens. All right, let's move. All right, Trevor got one. Son of a gun, that's 4 points.
Number 2.
That's the size I was looking for. Can you give me a pink worm? We're gonna try. Oh, damn. Already on it, all right.
That's what I need one.
Yeah. Oh, here, give me your phone. Got one?
Yup.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Too bad I don't have a net.
Oh yeah, baby.
Nice. Oh, there's one.
Oh yes.
Woo! Yeah, I finally got one. Holy. Got one. Oh, he spit it.
No.
There's one. Oh no!
What are you doing with your life?
Bro. Oh no! I know you're hungry. There's one. That's a good one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I told you. I told you.
That's a tanker. There's one.
That's a good one.
He plugged my bait. Damn it. Chill. There you go. That sounds like a good one. You need to set your drag higher.
Yeah, and he didn't click the bait. Yes.
You're lucky.
Bro, he's not even hooked. He's legit not hooked, bro.
No?
Oh no, I got his guts. Oh my god, dude. I'm shaking. Come on, be hungry, fish. He's right on the edge.
No way. You don't have the same one. Alright, hold on. Snap. You got one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good outro one.
Oh my god, I can't believe you just boat flipped a freaking 3-pounder. Holy crap. Woo!
That's the way to end it.
Well guys, as you can tell, we did fairly well on the water today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you want to do the punch out?